Hello everyone, welcome back to Prop Trade. This is Day 10 and I'm your host Red.
And I'm your host, Blue.
Well then yesterday our host Blue said that there was a gap up opening and it needs to tap in for gold to go bullish. Let me mark the previous day high and previous day low. Let me save this chart right here. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame. The previous day's low has been taken out because the gap up opening just got taken out by this candle right here. In the 15-minute time frame, just at around 6, I believe. Yes, this candle right here, the 5:30 candle, the 5:45 candle, these took out the low, and this candle right here, the 6 p.m. candle, the 6 p.m. candle took out the the gap up liquidity. Well, right now it is hovering around here. This consolidation pathway right around here. If it goes, if it takes this liquidity, we can see that it is going to manipulate this and shoot upwards. Just like how Blue told, that it is going to go tap into the cap up and then go bullish. Yo, Blue, was there anything that Trump said?
Uh, no, he was yesterday. He was just being delusional. He was talking about random stuff and posting random stuff like he is the savior, he's the guardian, etc. He's delusional, right? These days.
So right now in the 4 hour time frame, this is the other new liquidity that is closest the 4 hour liquidity right here. We need it just to manipulate to go upwards. There was a huge buy side here, which caused gap up liquidity and it to open upwards here. Now it is going to retrace, tap into here again, and go upwards. As you can see, there was a high buying side imbalances here. Then it got tapped in, then went upwards. Right now, we are expecting this to get tapped in, this liquidity to get manipulated, and then upwards. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, I guess. Okay, this is what we need. So right now, as you can see, the 1 hour shows a liquidity graph right here, which means this on the lower time frame was swings. Wait a minute, I'll show you. Let's mark this. I'll show you. Let's do it after this. This has shown that there was a buying liquidity here which got tapped out. There was a liquidity graph right here. Right now, I'm expecting this to be taken out and then shoot upwards. As there is a high buying power here, right here too. As you can see, there is there was a huge there was swings right here which caused this to tap in and then shoot upwards. If we go it like this, we can still say there's a swing liquidity, or this right here is also swing liquidity. If you can, if you know what I mean. So this level right here, the 4045 level needs to be taken out for gold to go upwards. Well, I guess this is it. I guess right now there is much time in kill zone. So, in my opinion, it is going to take this level and then go upwards. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you.
Okay. So, right now, in my opinion, I think this is what is happening. Go, on Monday, gold had a gap up opening to the upside. Now it is tapped in. It has taken out this Monday's high. Sorry, it has taken out this Monday's low. Right now, what we are aiming is that gold should go up. But the thing is, maybe this is why gold is going down because right now at the Monday time frame, if you can see, there was a ranging price was ranging here. It went down, tapped up, then went down, then tapped up, and then continued downwards. Maybe because I don't think so. There was any news about the Iran-US war during weekend, and because the news was not enough power or was not enough clear, had enough clarity that caused gold to range a little and then go downwards while tapping into the gap of liquidity. Well, let me go to the DXY. The most important thing when you're placing a trade is you have to be completely sure your internet speed is actually good. There was a time when this is a story, I think it has just been a few days. I was placing a trade and my internet was so shitty that I forgot to put an SL, or you could say I put the SL, but because of the internet, it was not, it not, kind of entered in the position that I wanted it to be. Which is why when I looked up, when I was a little bit skeptical about the trade, so I kind of looked it up again on the MetaTrade, on the MetaTrader app. And when I looked, I saw that I had not put the SL, and I guess I was in a little bit of drawdown. I had to quickly put my SL. Thankfully, price had not crossed the price level which I had planned to put my SL on. Well, the trade went till TP, and then I guess it gave me 1:1 RR. But we cannot. But the moral of the story is that you should always put your SL during when you are placing a trade. Never put your SL after you have placed the trade. Many people, including myself, had the mistake of doing this. When I entered the trade and then manually put the stop loss on the desired position. This has caused me This has caused me extremely high amount of losses many times. So what would be my advice is when you are placing the trade, there is a option on where to put the stop loss on. Put the stop loss on during when you are entering the trade. Do not put a stop loss after entering your trade because you never know when a huge balance might come and took out your stop loss quickly. Isn't it right, Blue?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the daily time frame of DXY. Well, right now DXY is coming toward, I guess, this level, this swing right here of the daily. DXY has taken out the high of the Monday's high. Dollar holds firm ahead of high Fed meeting. Okay. Well, there are chances of Fed hike. Fed can raise interests, so there's a chance of that, which is why I guess it is behaving like this. And maybe because there are talks about Fed hiking the price, hiking the interest rate. This is why Trump is being a little bit silent about Iran-US war. We all know the war has not ended and is not going to end quickly. But this is well, right now price is taken out. This thing right at this thing right at the gap down low has been taken out. Right now, I guess it is going to go a little bit down. Have a little bit pullback and then shoot upwards action till the 101.596 level. Well, this is a ranging price right here. This is, the price was ranging. It got manipulated to the downwards. Right now, the only liquidity is this point right here, which is why I believe it is going to reach up here. Take this liquidity. The thing is, this was a swing right here. It got manipulated to the upwards, took out this, and then went down. Okay. Oh, gold has crossed this level. The other liquidity is this if gold is going to continue downwards. Right now, I guess. Yo, bro. Yo, blue.
Yes. Yes.
Ju,
Yes. Yes.
uh, Can you check out what is the central bank's decision?
I Central
What
bank's
declines
decision.
ahead of central bank's decision? Is it the Fed talks about interest rate hiking? Just like how I told you guys that the price needs to tap in this level for it to go upwards. Well, as you can see, we are showing a liquidity graph right here. There is a high amount of buyers and sellers here. You see the liquidity graph big.
Yes.
I'm hoping
Yes.
for it to go upwards. I guess is it right for today. I am not, kind of a little bit, you can say I'm kind of skeptical about this trade. The only reason is I'm it has been taken out it has grabbed the liquidity and I'm targeting the liquidity. If you can say this is the liquidity type target, so I should put my stop loss accordingly. Okay, this is it. For today, I believe yo blue, am I missing something?
No, you're not missing some anything. By the way, Red, should we wait for the candle closing?
No, the thing is in real time I guess there has just been a wick. Well, I guess you could say I'm going to break even this trade because I'm extremely a little bit of skeptical about this trade. You can say we can wait for it, but the thing is, price has just shown a liquidity grab on the lower time frame. But the thing is that it has also shown an upper wick right here.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
So as you can see, there's a ranging right here. Are you seeing this?
Yes.
Price got
Yes.
manipulated, took out this liquidity, and then shoot upwards. So the thing is, if you are taking this trade, risk a little bit only, and if price comes back to here, there's a break. This is a break-even trade. Don't enter again on this trade if the price comes to, you know, the entry point.
Yes.
I guess this is it for today. Blue, do you have anything to add?
No, I don't have anything to add.
Well, when you were not online, I was thinking of placing a trade. I was thinking of placing a trade, the short trade, till the till the ending where the gap up liquidity ended, right here. Yeah,
Hmm.
because I was hoping that there was an extremely high chance it was going to take out the high of the
Hmm.
Friday night's ending. This right, the high right here, this one. And it shot up and it grabbed it like a liquidity grab. You see this doji candle right here, the 6 a.m. one.
You read.
I, yes.
Yeah, you were talking about the central bank's decision. I searched it up and it came up. Okay, yes, tomorrow is meeting of Federal Reserve on 2 p.m.
Okay. Well then, it means that tomorrow's market is going to be a little bit of kind of unusual because until and unless it reaches the time frame of the 2 p.m., then I believe a new schedule could arrive. Well, we'll see and tell you in the next stream. This is it for today, guys. Tune into the next stream. Follow us on Instagram, Twitch, Tik, subscribe us on YouTube, etc. Bye, everyone.
Bye.